Ah, it's starting already. I have no clue. Is it 4K? Okay, enough. Enough of this. Unfortunately, 4K can't be low latency, so my reaction will be a little bit delayed. Still though, where's the chat? Show me the chat. Here we are. Doop. This stream will be perfectly for having multitasking at work, probably. Hey Brian, hey Bolly, Henry, T-Tech Old, hi. So I expect 10 viewers max. So yeah, I'll be sharing my screen like that. This is 4K. You won't be able to read any controls here. But I also wanted to test or testing the second camera here. This one here, this is the Z-Cam that I purchased recently, but I will send it back because it's, yeah, okay, this is, the lens doesn't match the one that I have on the GH5. I'm not satisfied with the continuous autofocus, and that's why I will probably send it back today or tomorrow. You can see I'm out of focus right now. Okay, now it's focused. Not sure. It isn't as I expected. It's quite cool, but it doesn't justify the extra cost of 900 euros for compared to the G9 camera. T-Tech, I speak German, but you can write in German, but I will prefer to speak English so everybody will understand. Oh, hello, Milos. Or Milos, David. Yeah, T-Tech is asking if I have studied, and I did. Computer science in Darmstadt. The chair is too squeaky, isn't it? I'm using a shotgun microphone today, not my lavalier that I usually use. Let me grab another chair because that one is too squeaky. You guys will hate me. Okay. This is a little bit higher, no, is it? We have the focus on the printer in the background. So I got this from ANET, and this is one of the printers that I will give to some charity, like to youth center. At least I have one youth center lined up for one of these, and I expect applicants for the second one, since I will get 2 of these printers. And this is really a cool printer. It costs only like 210 euros, and it has all the features that are new to like the Prusa printers. Like you can simply turn it off and continue next day. I will show piggy bank that I printed. This was the print that I tested already. Yeah, the GH5 isn't good either at focusing here. Okay, so I ran out of, okay, here in the middle somewhere there should be like, you can't even see the seam. I continued, it was just late. I turned the printer off and turned it on next day and continued to print. And also it has filament detection, so you maybe can see it here. There is a seam where I switched the filament, so it's quite good and has much more micro steps than 256 micro steps compared to the Prusa MK2 that I'm using so far, which is very much vibrating. Latency is 50 seconds. Oh wow. Yeah, electronics TV is at school right now. So late. Yeah, there are, so T-Tech, you should, there are some new faculties or studies that you can do at the university that do some electronics combined with programming and such. That are quite interesting. I don't know how they're called, some IT related engineering master thingies. Hey Vivek. Hello Johnny. Johnny, I saw your dispensing video from yesterday. Looking cool. It's how precise does it work, or doesn't it matter for reflow? Okay, before I wait for the answer, I have another printer. So, or let's say I got this package here. I don't know if I can even show it. It's huge. Maybe I will put it on the table so it will be in camera view. This thing arrived 2 days ago, and these should be two resin printers that I got for another review. I just said yes without accepting any money, and I will give away what they offered. How bored did you get? No, I wasn't bored. It was interesting to see. Never saw a dispensing machine before. Oh wow, Manex FX. That sounds great. So I will be designing today another lamp. Not much rambling today. This is Blender. Let's put my face somewhere there. No, actually I'm not sure where to put everything. Do we even need my face here? I'm not sure. This is face. Okay. 4K, and it's small like that. I don't think we have menus that we need from the corner down there. Or I could put it here. Here, the face. And the chat somewhere here. That doesn't look great, does it? Sorry guys. Is it even readable? I need to check. I need to check here on the full screen, sorry. Yeah, I can barely, but it's there. In 4K, it should be readable. James, I'm not sure if YouTube Live API. Um, I have so many things lined up. I should simply concentrate right now on finishing stuff before I start new things. But I always take inspirations on Discord. If you are if you are doing something with the YouTube API, share them on in the showroom on Discord, and I will be probably inspired. It can easily handle 0402. Okay, I didn't see the scale of what footprints those are. You didn't have like a ruler or something. It would be nice to see how fine points you could do with or what small pads you could do with the paste dispenser, like a super minimum. Wow. So pin pitch of 0.5 millimeters. So how thick is the syringe, the tip of your dispenser? Because it on the video it obviously looks huge, but it could be like half a millimeter thick or something. Why I'm good at programming? I started at 11 years old programming. That's actually my profession. So I'm not very good at electronics. more in programming. It's just an API to use it with Blink. Okay. Thanks, James. Oh, okay. The footprints were 0604. Okay, so what I want to do today is I have this printer, and for the review I want to have at least some a little bit on top of the review to show something else, because reviews are always like super boring, and people are never bored of LED lamps. So I will take an even simpler LED lamp than before, and I want to maybe switch to the grabber again here. I will take one of these NeoPixel matrices that you can get for, I don't know how cheap they are, $12 from China. And I will print a simple tube. Okay, let's take one tube first, where you can simply focus. Okay, where you can simply put this inside, connect it to the microcontroller, and done. Very simple. Oh, the printer height should be printable. Yeah, I think so. I will keep the foot low profile, so I will be able to add, since it's still some LEDs, I will be able to add a 5.5 millimeter jack of these kinds. Red focus, face focus here, there. This thingies. So we need like maybe 1.5 centimeters at the bottom to have the power there, and to hide the microcontroller. I will try to use the ESP8266, since I have some of the D1 minis left this time, and yeah, that should be very basic. I don't have any footage recorded for the parts yet, but we can start the modeling process. They offer extra fine tips internal. Oh wow. Soda base, high viscosity. Yeah. So how fine are these soda balls in the paste? And do you need a special paste for that? Like, okay, you could mix with some more flux. It will be like more fluid, but do you need like a special paste for the super fine soda balls in the paste? Default tip is 0.2 millimeters. That's crazy. Okay, let's switch to that again. Oh no, people will hate me with that small chat window. I have to come up with something. Oh, I know what. I don't do full screen. Whoop, rip. Yeah, that's the best. Okay, let's put it here. Face up there somewhere. Dip. Okay. I'm back, but I hope OBS doesn't crash again. Yeah. I'm not sure how well my graphics card will do while doing OBS and with hardware encoding and Blender at the same time. Curious about that. They use T4 solder paste. Okay. So, first of all, we have this box. I will delete this. Is there a plug-in to show the keys? Key combinations that I use? Does anybody know if there is like some feature to enable like on-screen display of the keys that I'm pressing? Okay, window. Let's check. Maybe I find some setting here. Oh, add-ons. No. Okay. Yeah, whatever. You have to guesstimate the keys. It changes from Blender to Blender anyways, and this is Blender version what not. Okay, I will maybe change the scale of the user interface because you people won't be able to see anything on smaller screens. Oh man, user preferences. Interface. Scale it up a bit. Ah, huge. Better? Okay, first thing, I press 5 to get orthogonal view and Z, and then let's create, we want a cylinder. Oops. Okay, I open this, so remove it again and reset. I don't know if there's a reset location of the cursor. Cylinder, I want 32, let's do 64 sides to be very fine. A radius, oh yeah, we have to calculate the radius now. What's the measurement of these? I think these are 16 centimeters. 16 centimeters. Okay, this is 16. Camera doesn't focus. It's too much going on in the background. Okay. No. $38 to 20 micrometer ball sizes. Okay, that's small. Okay, I will check on this key display. Thank you, Henry. Oh yeah, that's okay. I need to install something. That would be too much for the stream right now. Let's do it next time. The radius. Okay, it is 16 centimeters. So let's calculate what radius. It's a calculator. We have 16 by 3, 5. That's the diameter. The inner diameter should be at least a little bit over 5 centimeters. Looks correct. So inner should be that, outer a little bit bigger. So we take the radius of maybe 3 centimeters, so 30 millimeters. Like that. And the height should be, let's do 16 millimeters. And this is the base. Okay, this is the base. Then what I want to do is duplicate this and do smaller one, 60. Wait a second, how much? We should print a tube to test what actual inner diameter we need. Okay. Wow. The big UI makes everything really. Okay, this one. Let's do the outer shell. How much? 1 millimeter, so it will be 15. Oh, this is the wrong one. 58. 58, that's the inner cutout. So if I would use, wow, I need a little bit. Add modifier, boolean, and then difference, and cut out the second one and use carve, since that works better. That's inner cutout, and this is the base. Now we have already a tube that we can export and print. So how do we put in some, okay, this thing, the connector, I need at least, yeah, I need a flat surface for that. So I will do a flat cube here. The number keys are really useful. 2 millimeters. What do I want to? Not sure what I want here. I take something like that. Okay, 20 minus 28. No. 8 millimeters, 3 millimeters. Okay, yeah, that's great. And X. $16, $15. Oh yeah, that could be a problem here. No, it isn't. Okay. Okay, 16. So what I want is a flat surface on the inner side for this screw. Okay, I need another. Switch the camera. Can I turn this on here? Okay, I have another camera here. I just need to add this is not the right one. That should be 4. Okay, this is not the right one. Come on, which one is it? It should be. Let me check if this is right. Ah, yeah, okay, so this should work. This is the old HD camera. I can use it for close-ups. So okay, so I want to be able to screw this on properly. I want a flat surface on the inside and the outside. So that's why I'm adding this flat surface on the inside, and on the outside I will cut it flat afterwards. So it will be like two Boolean operations. Add Boolean union that one and carve. I hope it doesn't cause any singularities here. And then Boolean, oh yeah, I need another duplicated, and simply move it out like so. Oh, this will cause problems. I will move it up a little bit further out, like that. Oh, let's do it like that. No, 1 millimeter is too much. Okay. And difference carve that one. Okay, we can't see the outcome. I don't like this corner here. Streaming, which one? This here is GH5. Oh, I forgot to do something. Okay, before. Okay, there are some oddities with how Blender works. So I have to apply, before I do the Boolean stuff, I have to apply the scale, because if I want to do some parenting, now everything is quite flat here. The hierarchy, I'll show this here. We have some cubes and let's call it flat inner. I hope that, yeah, that flat inner and flat outer. And I want to be, so whenever I move the whole thing, the base, that everything will move with that. So I will do some parenting, and therefore I go to the object settings and pick the parent here. And so, but okay, I'm not sure if it's meant for that, but it actually sorts everything beneath the parent here, and now whenever I can now even hide them like that, and it will show the result, just the result here to me, and I can move it. It has like 1 frame delay. This is funny. The Boolean operation has 1 frame delay, but yeah, like that. And now it's like this is a bug. When I simply go to the modifiers and refresh it by pressing anything, it will update to the right thing. Okay, I want to get rid of these corners here. Oops. Okay, let's do the top view. So I will to take the flat inner and I will go with tab to the editing mode. With all, I will deselect this, then I will simply move these corners to the inside. And then deselect, box select, and oops, move them right there. And that's done. So now, does it work? Yeah. Now I have a flat surface here and there, and now I need the cutout for the... It's a little bit confusing since there is like, we have a flat line here. We can, it looks like that. Okay, so this is what I want for the power output. Is even 3 millimeters could be too much. No, it should be okay. Oh, I didn't check the radius yet. Okay, we might want to scale it. What is 30 FPS? The stream? I hope it's 60. I hope the stream is at 60 FPS. Okay. Do we want to print a test? I want to see if only with the tube like that, I want to print that. So I will export STL. Whoops, what was that? Oh, I rather, before I get some crashes, hope I don't give anything away here. So this is lamp matrix lamp. Okay, save Blender file, export STL, and then select only. So matrix lamp STL. And now, unfortunately, I need to install Cura, or do I have still Cura here? No, I don't have Cura. Because, let me get, the printer came with Cura on the SD card. And I will just get the latest version of Cura to be able to create STL files for it. Ah, come on. Why are the first what? Isn't there like a MakerBot? No, it's the Cura. I get some stupid Ultimaker. Okay, yeah. Okay, Windows Cura. Ah, you are talking. Okay, sorry, I didn't get the whole chat. Yeah, it's 4K 60. It's the first stream in 4K 60. Bitrate is 30 megabits. Oh yeah, interim tech. Yeah, 1440 with the low latency. But with this small audience, it's okay for me to have the regular latency. Okay, cool. Oh, it's German or what? Ah, yeah, that's not good for a video. Okay, look how slow the installation is while the PC is trying to handle all the 4K streams in 60 FPS. Live latency is 22 seconds. Okay, yeah, let's start it. And I need a profile. Where's the USB? This here. Okay, so the printer came with this stick here. Oh, this is my live cam view here. With yeah, it's like a card reader and a SD card with the profile for the printer installed. So I hope we get a nice profile and can simply start with, yeah, which way around? Okay, the card reader isn't very good, but it should be enough. Yeah, no, not get started. Agree. Yeah, next, skip. Okay. Network printer. Oh, I think, no, I have an USB socket there. We could try to print over USB. Never tried that. I will use SD card. I don't want. How do I close this? Next? No. Add a printer? No. Oh, yeah, here. ANET. Oh, yeah. That's the ET4, I think. Or is it the ET4? Is it the ET4? What does it say? Yeah, ET4 Plus. It's the ET4 Plus. Do we have? It doesn't say Plus. It says ET4 Plus, but not Pro or. Let me check what the USB drive. It has a profile on it. Software, Cura. Yeah, I have a configuration file. It says configuration file for Cura 14 what not. Why do I add this here or? I just select this for now. Configure Cura, settings, printers. Add. No. Hello, Jay. Hello, Ibrahim. Let's basically try the E4 here. The print volume looks okay. I drop my tube, my test tube on there, like, where is it? It's the matrix lamp. Where am I? Here. Okay. Settings. Extra fast. Yeah, extra fast is okay. Okay, slice it. 26 minutes. Are they crazy? Okay. Let's try zero infill. It won't change anything. 16 minutes. Okay, it changed something. Adhesion. Brim or raft. No, don't need that. We just print 13 minutes. That sounds okay. Save to removable drive. Okay. Eject. Okay, let's print the test tube. I hope it's getting everything right. I don't want to destroy the printer before I finished recording a review there. Okay, manual, no. Return, print. Oh, do I have the right material set up? What's the material? Generic PLA, yeah, that's right. Matrix lamp. Okay, that wasn't right. It didn't do anything. It just it might be the wrong profile. Let me check. What is the preview here? Oh, it should be okay. Show configuration folder. Oh, okay. Maybe I can put in the configuration there. Print, so we can use the machine instances. No. Definitions? No. Variants? Where do I put this? Hello, not Steven. I use an NVIDIA encoder for that. Software will be really... I could use also QuickSync, but NVIDIA is much better. I just check the instructions of the SD card. Cura software user manual. This is file location in the Cura setting. Clear. Oh yeah, okay. 14.7. Yeah, whatever. We try the latest version here. Okay. Open profile. Where is this? Yeah, but it's not in the latest. I don't see open profile here. Do we really have to install a dated version of Cura? Import. Oh, yeah. I hate file selection dialogs. Okay. Okay. I activated the profile. Hello, Chris. And that should work. I check if there is actually something on the... Oh, I shouldn't eject it. If there is some information in the G code. No, it's 600 kilobytes. Okay, let's check again. If it can print. No. This is the wrong setting here. No. Okay. We have something else there. Kill this. It will be a small lamp. It's like this tall, like this wide and this tall. It's very small. It will be using one of these matrices here. Okay, you know what? I will do like uninstall Cura here. I show too much on the screen, don't I? Where's Cura? And use the version that they provide. And use the instructions. Updating afterwards probably works better than trying to start with the latest version right away. What is this? Yeah. This SD card reader from that was shipped with the SD card is really slow. Oh wait. What kind of version is that? No. I need that one here. Ah. Okay, let's do something cruel and pull out the stick. I will use another stick, another reader that is a little bit faster, since we ain't nobody got time for that. Where's my card reader? What? Okay, I will copy it to my local drive. Hello. Yeah, that works. Okay, yeah, that's the link. Potato quality SD card. Yeah, something like that. As long it's still working. I think the light might be too low on my face. That's why I got problems with the focus here. Now it's hot. No, this is too hot from this side. Okay. Did it? Oh, what? What did I do? Here, okay, finish. Insult to potato. Did it install? Yeah, next. Other. Next. Custom. Oh yeah, there was something about, didn't we have? Oh, that's really step by step here. Okay. Let's try this. ET4. Heated bed. Do not choose. Okay. Now, well, let's keep that one first. Okay. File. Clear platform. Oh, expert. Switch to full settings. It is okay. Then open profile. Open profile. And open that. Okay. We have that. Shell thickness. Yeah, that's not important. Okay, layer. Okay, let's do 0.2 first. Then 1.6 shell thickness. Let's leave it to 2 shells. These are my old, like, super old settings. $20. Printing temperature 200. Print speed 30, okay. 50. Non. 100, okay. Oh yeah, okay, whatever. That should work, shouldn't it? Shouldn't it? Okay, let's try our tube that we wanted to print. What? I can't drag and drop STL files? Okay. Sorry about the tedious. Ooh, fancy. 26 minutes. Okay. Okay. Let's leave it. We can always toolpath to SD. Matrix lamp G code. Okay, ejected. Save remove failed. Okay. Oh yeah, I know why. Because the PDF viewer locks it. I'm trying to print something from Cura on the new printer. What? Okay, it does the same thing, but we have something else. We have some start code and end code for I will just reset it and check for the start and end code. Start end code. And check if this is correct with the settings from the SD card. Okay, Z. Bottom, yeah, my ass. Please read instructions carefully. Software, print files. Okay. Here's some Z code. Default start code. Do I change this? Okay, home extruder. G1 travel speed. It looks a little bit different. Okay, I check what the output was in the files. This was the last one, I think. I don't see an obvious problem there. Crotch cam. I don't see a problem here. Let's compare it to another file. Whoops. From the SD card. Yeah, whatever. G90 absolute positioning. 82 is also there. G28. This is strange. M109, 104. I just want to print the tube back there, not... Okay. Let's try... Can I add? No. I hope I don't break anything. Oh, let's do it like that. I will just... I will add to the ends. And we'll take these here. Okay. Let's see if we got something new, if it works at all with the new code. Oh yeah, we have it loaded already here. No, this is not the right thing. Yes. Let's check if it filled in the travel speed. No, it didn't do the substitutes here. What was the original one? This is annoying. No. Okay. Let's do it like that for now. I have to check this later. I will simply take the start code from here. like that. And also the end code. No, this is not, we need the travel. Outer perimeter and the travel G92. And this is simply G1. This is like extruder. This is like the is the string still there yet? Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, people are still watching. Okay, let's keep it like that. I will destroy the printer now. Okay, let's check it if it works. I'm not sure what it is doing right now. I hope it doesn't break. Okay, let me reset it. It is like a super strange state. No. Okay, this is heating up. Okay. You know what? I will leave it for now. Because it's just, it's just too much to start configuring the printer or the configuration files. Let's continue with the editing here. Okay. What I wanted to do is I need this thing to be back to editing. I can scale it afterwards. But what I do want to do now is some kind of extrusion here. Select. Okay. Extrude 10 millimeters. Oh, this is the wrong count of faces. I want like a rough face, like triangulated and then rotate it somehow or skew it such that you can see the triangulation on the lamp. How do I do it? Let me try this, or to create a new cylinder and test it with that. So I want, there's no vertical tiling. What? Okay, the printer is doing something in the back there, but that's another file. I try to print something else first. Okay. And now stop it. Okay. So remove that. And start our print again. No. Okay, the G code isn't right. I'm not sure what's happening there. I will turn this off for now and do it later. Okay, back to this one here. I want the extrusion. Extrude 10. Do we really have, to do this like that? Yeah, let's test it. And now add a modifier and screw it, maybe. Does it do anything? Oh no, that's not the right thing. It's the wrong modifier. Deformation, and maybe it's a simple deformation here. That looks like a simple deformation. And you can already see the faces there. Do I want to change this already? No. Select all, mesh, faces, triangulate. Okay. Would that work? I want something more random there. It looks like a clock. Let's say 90 degrees. Woo! That looks too regular, doesn't it? Okay, let's try something else. I will create a cylinder with fewer vertices. 16, like only 16 faces here. That could be okay. Oops. 10. Oops. Okay, let's try again. Modifier deformation, simple deformation. 45, 90. Mesh, faces, triangulates. What? That's too much. Oh, that's cool. I hope that would work though. How do we ensure when we want to... Oh, maybe we can do something like extrude that one, the surface, but I think that might be even easier to model in some CAD software. Do we want some more randomness or keep it like that? So this is like the basic idea. We can do some displacement here. Let me try some displacement. Is there a displacement modifier? Mesh deformation. Ooh. Displace. Oh yeah, new texture. Okay. We have to... Where's the texture? Type. Noise. No, not noise. Berlin noise. Clouds. Yeah, clouds. And the resolution, size, like that. Maybe a little bit bigger, like that, and the deformation should be okay, stronger deformation, different size. No, that doesn't do the lamp a favor. It simply looks broken. No. I think we can drop this. This doesn't look good. I think we will leave it like that for the modifier. Okay, but then I have to change that now. I will take this tube here and replace it, the base cylinder. We can create, while in editing mode, we can create a new cylinder there. Oh, cursor is like that. Okay, cool. Okay, how we can invert the selection. Inverse and delete. Pew! And we have replaced our cylinder in our design here. The inner cylinder is still a little bit rounder. Let's check it. Oh yeah, that might be too thin here. Shoot. Also, this doesn't work anymore here. Okay. Let's change this. Oops, no. We want to only change that vertically. This will be the most boring stream ever. Okay, like that. It's only inside. Okay. Let's leave it. Yeah, that worked. Now the outer cut here. Oh, we need to bring this closer. Like that. Okay, we have our flat surface back, and the cylinder here is still there, the inner one. I need to change the inner one again. Oh, that's that need to be the same. Hello Andy, hello Bleep Track. Bleep Track, do you want to see the Zcam? I have the Zcam for you. Wait a second. Where's my Zcam? Yeah, that's the Zcam. Here is the focus. It's not the worst. It's not the worst. Not the best either. It looks sharp though. Yeah, but the focus hunting, that's something I was happy to get rid of the GH5. No, that's not the right one. Okay. Give me all the pixels. Oh no, I don't have much to drink left. It looks really good. Yeah, but the GH5 also looks good. I didn't find a reason that justifies the extra cost of the Zcam. I think I will return the Zcam and simply get a G9 for the time being and save up for the Alpha 7 III. No, what's the newest Sony shit that we get with no compromises at all, full frame with all the stuff. But that's a little bit of saving though, and they are still not available. So okay, back to work. Nobody needs the 4K resolution if the face cam is so small in the corner. Okay, I will, the inner cutout, I will change that as well. I will replace it with a new tube. Okay, the radius was, what kind of radius did we use there? 2 millimeters smaller, 1 millimeter smaller, so 28, like that. Yeah. And then invert the selection, delete. Okay, finished. Beep. No, now we have to adjust this. I'm really bad today. Okay. Okay, let's simply move it by 1 millimeter. And move that to there. And this, oops, I want this to be precise number. This doesn't, oh, 9, okay. Okay, this is flat. Okay, great. Oh, this is 2 mm thickness. Do I really want such a thick wall? That will print for ages. Okay, let's do it like that. 58. Okay, one millimeter should be. Oh no! Ah! What's happening? Does this still work? No, it doesn't. Okay. Move it back 1 millimeter here. Okay, now it should work. No. Oh, this is quite thin. Not sure if this is good enough. Let's leave it at 12. So it's 3 layers. No, we need a little bit more thickness on the inside. Need 1 layer more. Sorry, that I'm not telling everything that I think here. So if the nozzle is 0.4 millimeters, so I want at least 3 walls or 4 walls of thickness on the outer shell of my design here, because otherwise it will be too thin to screw something on, or it will break easily, or it will be translucent or anything. So I model things. No, this is not good. Model things so they are placed like multiples of 4, but in this case it isn't even like that. We have this. No, it's not quite on the corner. Okay. Update. Oops. Okay. This works. We need a cylinder cutout. Whoops, this is a huge cylinder, 16. The radius should be, let me measure this. Millimeters. 9, so 9.4. So radius should be 4.7. This is good enough, and I will rotate it. Is this the right? No. It's always this one. 90 degrees. Oops. Okay. So it's always this update bug. And we will cut it out here like that. It's centered. This is right. And also we want to parent. No. Oh, parent. Okay. Hide it. And we have the outlet here. Okay. I missed some of the chat. Yeah, Bleep that's the problem. It's I see the Zcam is super great for filming and doing the film look and experimenting outside. I used it outside and it was good. What I was missing though are the controls. So you can probably configure all the buttons, but having this extra touchscreen where you can simply dial in the controls or the dialers, the left and right, where you can quickly GH5 won't focus, where it would quickly change the ISO or whatnot and the focus and such. It's so comfortable compared to the filming camera where it's just the sensor and start and stop. I rather pay less and maybe don't have all the options and don't have the 120 FPS and 4K and whatnot, just so it's easier for me to set it up and leave it like that and do my other stuff. Blender is open source. Yeah, Blender is free. Fusion 360 isn't. Yeah, and for this purpose, it's good enough, I think. Okay, now we want the upper part of the lamp. Oh, I need to change the radius later. Probably. Not sure yet. Peter, I added you as moderator. You can paste the link if you want. Okay, now let's do this thing. I will extrude it now. Okay, this is okay. Extrude 10, return. Extrude 10, return. Extrude 10, extrude 10, return, extrude 10, return, extrude 10, return, extrude 10. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Extrude 10, return. We have 16 pixels, don't we? And each is, yeah, one centimeter apart. Okay, so we must do another 8 extrudes. Oh, how much did we get? Okay, this is 16. It really looks slim. Not sure if this is right. Is this right? Now we want a twist. I'm not sure if we can do the twist. Okay, there is still the cutout missing. Inner cutout. We'll simply modify it. Oops. To be just up there. No. 2 millimeters. So we get a cap. Something like that. And now the twist. And I hope I can start the twist at a higher point. Simple deformation. Oh yeah, there is a limit. Okay, nice. It's confusing to... Okay. Oh no! Houston, we have a problem. Oh. Okay. Let's do the limit first and check for the problems later. Oh yeah, that works. Something like that. And then we want to triangulate the mesh. So we actually see the real triangles. Oh no! Some of the triangles are flipped. What? Why? Oh no! No, okay. It does do the triangulation. Ah. That's stupid. Okay, let's... No. Can we do that triangulation as a modifier? Yeah, there it is. Oh, this is much better. Shortest diagonal or longest or beauty. Fixed alternate, fixed. Fixed. Fixed looks the best. Dave! Dave Darko is there. I'm always out of focus like that. I should like get the camera closer. Since this is a fixed focused lens there, I will get the tripod closer to me. Face, maybe there is a face detection. Do we have face detection in the GH5? We have probably, but I never used it. Okay, we want the twisting before we do the cutout. Okay, so we want the triangulation as the first operation, maybe. And then we want also the deformation as second. Oops. No, we don't. We want that one. Okay, this is awkward. This won't work. No. This won't work. The problem here is, oh, I see already all the problems. How do we do it the best? Oh, that looks good. No. What? Okay, again, not flat inner. This is the wrong one. We want inner cutout. And the inner cutout, oh, this is also wrong. The triangulation needs to be first. Like that, but then we have some problems here. Since we twist the tube before we cut it out, and that's bad. I mean, I think we need a clone of the triangulation of the first tube. Let me show that for the cutout. So we have like similar surface there. Yeah, FreeCAD is great for simple things, but it gets really slow when it gets complicated. I used for my retro Game Boy design, used FreeCAD. Okay, let's do it like that. Okay, selected object copied to buffer. Then we have inner cutout. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I paste them. I never did this before. No, that's wrong. That didn't work. Okay, let's do it again. I will simply remove, or I will clone this one. Cut out 2 and remove all the crap here. We have the same mesh structure. Then we need to make this 58. Apply. Oops. Okay. And let's try the new cutout. Okay. This is now homogeneous. And I need a cap on top. So let's modify the base here for. And extrude this here by 1 millimeter. And the twist really doesn't matter on top. Okay, let's check what we got now. Okay, this is a nice looking tube. The only problem I see is the opening here. Oops. Where we got like this strange opening here. I think that might be even a broken surface. No, it only looks like that because it's the same normal. How do we fix that? I have an idea. Okay. Flat outer. This is the box that we use for cutting the outer thing. And we will simply modify it. Let's see to the side. Oops. Extrude it by 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters, like that. Shift this. Oh, maybe that works, yeah. And do something like that. Let's check now. Ah! Oops, doesn't work. Yeah, it does. Okay. And now we get like a slope there. Like that. It still should be able to screw on the power connector there. Okay. The cap for that, we don't need to design this right now. I'm not sure if I even would design a cap for that, since we can simply stuff everything in there. Okay, so what is the plan? I think I will print until, just to show how the printer can pause a print and switch the filament, I will print the lowest part in a solid color and this like semi-transparent, like translucent or transparent, a clear PLA up to the top, and then we can simply shove in the matrix there and attach an 8266, connect the power and done. Simple design. That should be printable. I will print it upside down like that. No supports needed. Everything nice. Nice and dandy. I think the inner diameter might be too, still too big. I'm not sure. Okay, let's export it. Okay, matrix lamp, and also save it. Check. Reload. Pew! And now we can rotate it. Can we rotate it? Oops. Boop. Like that. Oops. And yeah, it's flat. Good enough, I would say. 5 hours print time. No. Okay. Print speed. I think, no, this is retraction. This is retraction. Quality, thickness. Oh, it's already 0.3 millimeters. How big is that? It certainly doesn't look very big. We have, this is 10 millimeters per square here. So we have, this is 5, 6 almost. And let's see if this matches. Yeah, something like that. It should match. No, it's not a 24-hour stream. I think I will end this soon because we got that modeled, and I will configure the printer or Cura to spit out the right G-code that works with the printer, and I will print that and will be back for the electronics. Or we can print it while I do the electronics. So I might be back earlier than the print is finished, and then we can program the LED stuff, and I think, yeah, it's certainly possibility to stream today again. Too bad it can only print one filament at a time. Would be cool to pattern. Yeah. Yeah. That's But it's a 200 euros printer, so what do you expect? Okay, guys, I think I'm satisfied with what I see right now. I might add more of a twist there. Oh, let's try it. It should work without problems now, since we have configured here everything. So we can also add a 90 degrees twist. Oh, that looks even sharper. And still works without any holes. What about 180? Ui, I like that. I like turtles. Okay, I like that, but that doesn't align with the pixels. And I need an end there, since the top here, okay, let's tweak it first. Since we have the top layer here, let's not twist it. So I will do like 0.99. Yeah. Something like that. That already, no. Okay, that works. No, almost. 4, that works, okay. So the cap isn't twisted. And now we can do, since we have 16 pixels, and let's put it straight. We want the pixels to align with the cells of the lamp. So we rather would put even more of a twist, such that this corner lines up with this corner here. Let's see how much do we need there. Oh, something like that, but that doesn't look like pixels anymore. I need a line here. Not sure if this is still printable, but it looks like. Progressive twist. Okay. Let me add a line here or something, so I have oops. Oh yeah, I could. Oh, I don't see anything here. Like okay. It just should be more or less square. Okay, we need a little bit more of a twist there. I think we need a little bit twist so this corner ends up in the center here. Yeah. We don't need that. We just need, we have a slide, no. Where is the corner down here? The corner down, oh, maybe we want to fix that corner as well. So since we set here some kind of random value, this is bad, okay, 8, 9. No, 9 is really the starting point here. No, not quite. 9.1. You only be able to see that on 4K. Okay, so we have a corner here. Let's take that one. And shift it. Like that. And now adjust the twist. Adjust the twist so we get this corner here to blip. Now it should line up with the pixels of the matrix, more or less. Looks like, yeah, 360. Okay, remove this and check for the last time here. Looks great. Simple lamp. Doo-doo. Save. Selection only. Export. Cura. Reload. Oh, now we have to rotate it again. Plop. Can we see the slicing in this version? Layers. Plop. Oh. Ah! So, okay, so we have, this is what takes so long. We have a shell and then some infill here, and this infill here, this zigzag, that takes so long. So if we take different settings here, let's say we take 0 infill. How much does this take? Still 5 hours, but it's a little, it looks like it does some outer shells and some, oh no, huh? I'm confused. Oh, this is like a super old version. And the print speed is really low. You should do like maybe 50, 60, 100. A test run with 80 millimeters per second. Okay, so I still don't like the infill density, shell thickness. Yeah, two layers of shell thickness, enable retraction, no support. Huh? Oh. Yeah, we got a problem. No matter what I enter here as print speed, we are limited for the speed of each layer, since it needs to cool down. There is some limitation. Infill speed. Oh, there is maybe outer shell. We can do the outer shell in 40. But there is also, no, inner. Inner isn't important. We don't see the inner shell. Let's do it 80. Minimal layer time, seconds. Yeah, but 10 seconds is really not the limiting factor here. I think it takes more than 10 seconds to print one layer. Okay, we reduced it to 4 hours 20. Oh, this takes long. The lower thing here. How many layers are these? We have 1, 2. Okay, I think this takes the most time. Maybe we optimize for only a few shells up there. Not sure if that screws with our twist now, but we have 0.3 millimeter thickness. Let's do 3 millimeters max, 3 layers max, or two layers. Should be enough. Okay, let's do three layers. So we have 0.9. This is one layer, so 0.9. So we need like only oh, that changed a bit, the twist a bit, but I don't think it's a problem. But that change should give us a layer less. Okay, reload. That's stupid that it doesn't keep the rotation here. Four hours, 11 minutes. Okay, if I do only two cap layers, so let's do it like that. Oh, I think our line changed here. Yeah, it isn't straight anymore. Oh man, broken it again. No, it looks good. Still working great. Okay, so only 2 layers. Since it's direct on the print bed, it should be fine. It's only a showcase here. Still works. So we optimize for the print speed. And that should be all right. Is this not? Yeah, it's a really old version. I installed the version that was what was on the SD card of the printer, but I think that should work with the new Cura, since it had some presets for the ET5, is it? ET4 printer as well. But I don't know what the problem was with it. Was like not printing before, so I tried, oops, no rotation here. I tried to use everything that was on the stick here with the printer, but it didn't work either. So I would take a new version of Cura and try it using the new Cura. Solid on infill. Yeah, that could also work. But, oh! We have 4 hours 15? Okay. Did it change because I flipped it? Okay, where's solid infill? Infill density 100. Yeah, it shortens a bit. 6 minutes. Okay, 4 hours of printing is what we get. Okay, guys, I think I will stop the stream now and come back later when this is printed or ready, or when I'm sure that it will work, and we can continue from there. So 2 hours of stream, I think it was. No, more. When did we start? 2.5 hours ago? Oh, yes. Ooh. Okay, so I see you guys later, I think. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, I try to get the settings running of Cura. Bye.